Guys, welcome back to another Christmas in July. We're getting ready. Today is what's the date today? I don't know what the date is today. Anyway, I think it's like exactly a month before Christmas, like the 25th of June. And I'm getting these ready early. And so, because I think that there's going to be like a couple of parts in some of these that will carry through. But anyway, as I'm taping this or videoing this, it is the end of June. So, and I want to be ahead of the game this year. Because I think I only did, last year I just did the cart and I did my December daily, whatever. I think that was it. And this year I want to do more. So that's what I'm hoping for. So this video is the cart, my December daily or my December crafting cart. So make sure you like and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. That would be awesome. I did put it up on my desk because it's low. I mean, this comes up not even close to the top of my desk here, and you wouldn't be able to see it and you wouldn't see me. So I'm gonna it hasn't changed a whole lot from last year other than there's some stuff taken out of it. Because I have a tray and I'll have to get that out. That'll be another video. I have a tray that sits on my desk. That's not in here because this was packed full. So this will have certain stuff in it. The other one, the tray, will have like little stuff, little decorating stuff that will get lost in here. So anyway, that'll be the next, or one of the videos coming up is my desk Christmas December tray. But this one is my cart. So up top here, and I'm lefty, I'm not a righty, so I gotta turn around. Okay. And on the end here, I have two buckets. I have two buckets right here. This bucket right near me right here has my laces in it. This one's really pretty. I haven't found anything to do with this yet. I know I will. Just some red ribbon, some silver. We'll definitely probably use that this year. This is more lace, red lace. I have green lace, and we have some white cut lace, some really thin see-through, I got this at Dollar Tree, thin lace white ribbon, and some seam binding. I've got white and red seam binding stuff. So that's what's in this side. Now my big ribbons, and that's going to be a part of the video too, I have a shelf with like the bigger ribbons over there. That'll be another video. So, and then this bucket on the side has my red and white and green. Where did I find this? I found it at my local like hardware store, and it had a craft side, sewing side. And they went out of business. They're not here anymore. But I grabbed this one year, a couple years ago, and I have a whole bunch of it still. So that's what's hanging on this side. And I think I got the cart off of Amazon. Either Amazon or eBay, because this cart is a metal cart, and the one I have, this is a 3-tier one, and the one I have in my Reborn nursery is a 4-tier one, which I needed in there. And then my October daily is a plastic one I've had forever. It's a 3-tier. I actually, for the October one, I need like a 4-tier one. So I may end up buying another one for that. But anyway, back to the cart. Okay, up top, we'll do starting at the top. I have 2 more buckets right here. And this one has my Christmas pencils in it that I use to write stuff. I do a lot of stuff in pencil. I have a pair of scissors. I have a piece of cut stuff. I have trash. I made a bunch of these for Elf. Ariel still had her Elf comes, and I use these in her December daily. I cut a bunch of these out. I have some tags, different tags in here. I have my template for my ribbons to make if you want to do it out of paper. I have some pins down here. What else I got down here? I got a bunch of pins, Christmas pins. I think these were sent to me. I've got, probably should be wearing one. I've got Happy Christmas to All. I got May Your Heart Be Light and Your Holidays Be Bright. I got Christmas is a Time for Love. I've got Wishing You a Fun-Filled Holiday. What else? There's another one in here. This one says, May your holidays be merry and bright. Look at him, isn't he cute? Isn't he cute? So I have a couple Christmas pins in here. Some more cards. This is like an envelope. It says Santa. Santa. And let's see, there's a bunch of miscellaneous stuff in here. Stuff that I don't want to lose. I've got some miniature. These actually should be in the little thing over here, but there's some tags and stuff in here. Extra tags. I got some made, like this is a gift, one of those gift candy box things, you know, that fold down. And I've got some extra cards, just plain white cards. I don't know why these vanilla envelope things are in here, but I got a couple of those in here. What else do I got? Oh, I got another pin. What's this one say? If you see Santa, tell him I've been good. Okay, and then on the bottom here, I have my stamp stuff. I have a wooden stamp. I think we'll come to that at the bottom somewhere. But it has different, it has the Grinch, it has different things on it. There's a ton of them. There's a ton of different ones, like different rings. This one says special, I don't know, they're backwards. From your secret Santa. From your secret Santa. I have different ones, but I have the thing that goes with it, but it's not in here. So that's what's in this bucket. Just odds and ends kind of stuff that I don't want to lose. And I know that I will use. I love these pins. I should have these on here. I should have these decorated on here somehow. I don't know how to put them on. I'll have to figure out how to put them on. But for now they're in here. So here's my first bucket. My second bucket has trinkets. This is the kind of stuff that I want in my tray. I don't know why I wrote that down. I have some, what are these called? They're brads, different kinds of brads in here. Now these I got last year, the little snow ornament wooden snowflakes. And some of my bells. The bells. I got some tin snowflakes. I've got some pretty sparkly stuff. I have, what else do I have in here? Oh, Christmas trees, wooden Christmas trees. Can you see those? Wooden Christmas trees. And I have these big honkin' bells. These. Which I think I'm going to do for my wreath. I'm not sure yet. I don't usually plan stuff out. I just kind of go as I go. These black ones need to go in Halloween stuff. I have a couple of clips and stuff in here. But this is the kind of stuff that needs to go in my tray. So I can use them. Because they're in here, I don't see them. But there's some more trinket stuff. So we'll do the tray together. Okay, so there's those two boxes. These two these little things, and this one has like my strings, like the little strings, and it does have a roll of ribbon. I'm not sure if the other ribbons are over there or not. I think I took a lot of them out. They're in my get ready box. And then this one has washi tape, Christmas washi tape. And then this little tray has my Christmas color glitters, glue glitters. I have a stamp that says Merry Christmas on here. I didn't put it away. This one has fall leaves. This shouldn't be in here either. This should be over here. So there's that. I have nothing. Well, I had the pom-poms back here. And then this side, these things are all my stickers. And foam stickers. I have the Christmas lunch bags. I have, because sometimes I add these into my December dailies. And sometimes I do them for like little treat bag things, you know, like my October one I decorated with scrapbook paper, and it's all Halloween-y, but you can take this one, you don't really need to cover it, but you can still make it the same way. So that's what's in there, and there are some fall stuff in here, but it shouldn't be in here. I have my Thanksgiving, I have some Thanksgiving stuff. That should be in my October pile. So I will put this over there, and when we get to that one at some point. Okay, second shelf. Stamps, not stamps, what do they call them? Punches. My Christmas punches. I have a snowflake. I have a mixture. This is like confetti stuff. This, I have a tree. I'd like to get a bigger one of this. This is the tree. I have another snowflake one that's smaller than that other one. And then I have a reindeer one. And I have a bunch of teeny tiny ones, but I don't think they're Christmassy. There might be a bell or something in there. This has some sequins in here. I have to get more. I am out of silver and iridescent, so hopefully when I go back over to Dollar Tree, I'll have to see if they have the packets still, and I'll have to pick up a couple. So while we're doing this, I should be making a list. Should be making a list for Dollar Tree. So we need sequins. We need silver and clear. I've got a ton of red, a little bit of blue, but I need more red. Okay, this box right here has some extra little, it has my like battery operated lights. These sat on my desk for a long time. My husband cut up a little tree out back, and I thought it would be fun to make little Christmas ornaments with these. It might be a little craft for this Christmas in July, but it also may be something I can have Ariel and her friend make. I have some white crepe paper. We use that to make rosettes and stuff. I got that, and over here on the end is my stamps and my numbers for my big shop. And it has, like, it's Christmas oriented. So, hold on. Last shelf. Me trying to get this out. These are Christmas cards. I don't have to buy Christmas cards. I have got a ton of Christmas cards in here. And a lot of people don't give them out anymore because you do stuff via the internet or whatever. I still like to send some sometimes. I'll try to, it's more personable, you know. So I do have some, I send them to family members, you know, my sisters and Jeff's family, my kids that are back east, that kind of thing I send out for that. And if I'm doing a giveaway or if we have a special whatever, I'll send a card, you know. So, and I have some of these. This is the extra stuff you put in to decorate with. And I need pipe cleaners. I don't know if I'm gonna find what I'm looking for yet, because I don't know, they're not gonna have Christmas stuff out yet at Dollar Tree or whatever. But I've got red sparkly. I've got some green. I don't really need green. I need green sparkly because I only have a couple of those left. I need green sparkle and white sparkle and white regular. Pipe cleaners. White sparkle and green sparkle and white regular and red regular. Because I only have one. Ariel's been down in my stash using it. So that's what I have for that. So I usually, when I do this video, I usually make a list of stuff, what I think I might need. One package I think is going to be enough. We'll see. I know I need pom-poms because I've only found 3. I've only found 3. She's used up the majority of my, actually I thought I saw some the other day, but I don't think I saw the, yeah, I have another thing right here. It has some pom-poms and more glitter, shaky glitter. I don't keep that on my cart. I probably should. That's a good idea. Let's put this on here. Here's my green. We'll put that in there. I already got white in there. And these pom-poms need to go up here. And I have had this glitter. Oh, Ariel saying hi. This is a mixture glitter. I've had this forever. I know, yeah, I had it full. I mean, she's used it all, so I have to make sure I get some more glitter.
The Christmas trees.
And, oh, I can put it in here. This is what it is.
Look at the pretty cool Christmas tree.
So, we emptied that out. So, that's good. So, the rest on the bottom is, I buy these every year. Because if she's doing a Secret Santa at school, whatever, she can take a couple of these. I'm not a fan of, I'm traditional. I do not care for this color, which she loves.
The blue.
And I like the green and the sparkly ones, but I'm not a fan of like the purple, pink stuff. I'm not a big fan. I'm all about the traditional. I love these ones.
Can you take these ones?
And there's a Christmas one there. So cute. So there's my pencils. And depending on what ones they have out this year, I will grab some more. And I have red and white straws. I don't know if they have other Christmas straws. I've only found these. And if I find them, I buy them. Like I used a whole package already. I use these for my rosettes as the stems and for decorating stuff. So that's what's on the bottom shelf, is the bigger kind of stuff. So it looks like I'm okay somewhat with everything. I'll straighten out that after I'm off with you guys. I found the rest of it. It's right here. It needs to go back in here, so that'll be fun. So anyway, that is everything I have in my December daily cart, my crafting cart. So make sure that you like and subscribe and comment down below, say hi, and we will do a, I gotta find it, it's buried over here, my tray that goes on here, and we will stock that up with some stuff. We'll see what we got. So, alrighty, we will talk to y'all again soon. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye now.